Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a toilet clog and something else at a restaurant in Auburn. Yeah, so make sure you like, comment, share, that fun jazz, and we will see you when we get there. Bye. Call. I'm here.
Hey guys, do we know where George is? Hey George, it's Shelly. It's Shelly from Drain Addict. Okay. Good, how are you? Is it the same toilet?
Well, we did that one like, I don't know when. Well,
I just augured that one. The one
we
right
did it.
behind the thing.
Yeah.
And I pulled out one of those sandy things that goes on the side. And then is it the toilet next to on the other side of it? Okay. So we'll take a peek at it.
Before, I don't know when.
Okay. We'll take a look at it.
And I'm gonna show you though. After that, you started all the mess with Teddy. With the
Okay,
check.
yeah, I'm not worried about that. I told her I was gonna put you guys on a net 30 for that, so.
Oh, so it's on the other side of the one we just,
This one.
the piece we
Yeah, like-
fixed.
Slow.
Does it come up downstairs?
Yeah.
If I flush it? No? Alright, so this might just need an auger. But let's take a peek downstairs before
Okay,
I
let's show you
determine
down
that.
there. And it's like a week ago, I went over there, it's like flooded. I said, oh my God. So it's like, the Chris got in a hole like this in the bottom.
Yeah?
So he come and changed it. So everything was cool. But after that, it's like, the only thing.
Are they stuffing rags down right now?
That guy's guilty. That guy right there,
You did it?
guilty. Guilty.
Can you run or have a guy go upstairs?
I did it what?
Which sink is this? In the kitchen. Run the kitchen sink near the dishwasher area. Nothing. I think I found your problem. Look. Look, that's actively dripping. What's right above me? Your entire floor, your entire joist is soaked. What's right above me? The sinks? Let's go look at those, because you're not backing up over here. Yeah, I saw all the water come through and you were fine.
This one here is backing up many times, a lot of times.
Yeah, we've snaked that one before.
That's that one probably. That
That one's
water coming there.
right, but it's actively dripping right now, honey. Look at everything you have under there.
Nothing here. No.
Yeah, your fridge is leaking. The floor's soaked.
Yeah, but that cold, like hitting a cold, didn't do that. Yeah, but that's
It's right above us. It's leaking here. What, Lillian?
The big spark.
because you're not. It was actively dripping on me. That's why I know that it was coming from somewhere up here. But here, hold this up the here. Do your job. Yeah, Bob and I have snaked this one before.
Yeah.
That's taking it like a champ.
That's taking it, yes. I've many times they come up and go over in the kitchen.
Right. So we've snaked that one before, but the drip, it's actively dripping. So that means there's water coming through the floor and dripping down the joist. So I don't know if the floor is getting soaked or if there's a water pipe or a drain line that's...
Nothing over here.
This is
Slowly
right above where I was.
And this is slowly soaking the floor right here.
Right, it's saturated underneath. So I'm thinking it's just going through the floor right here. Because it's not, there's nothing backing up downstairs.
Oh, yeah.
That's the only spot that I see water. And that's right, the fridge is right above us, right? The bar fridge?
Like the kitchen right there. I mean the sink.
The sinks are back there. So right, this side of it would be that where they have the cold bar in front of the grill.
I don't know. But it's not a leaking.
It's coming from up there. So it's just leaking through your floor. So if maybe the floor is soaked, it's gonna pour down here. But other than that, nothing else is. All right, we're gonna go take care of that toilet.
All right.
Gotta get the bomber. Here. Oh, you're gonna pick up one. Let me hold that for now. Put your glove on and then you can just hold it. Here, watch her put her glove on.
You gonna be a plumber? Huh?
He's talking to you. Huh?
You gonna be a plumber?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, make sure to go easy with a pencil. Just that, man. Whoa!
Really?
Whoa! Shotgun.
That toilet seat just does not like you, Mom. Watch your shins, everybody. Mommy, I'd like to keep my shins, please. Ba-boom.
Why is that?
It's one of the best.
Thanks for that.
Looks like a snake taking a bath. Snakes even take baths? Yeah. I ain't a snakeologist. It would be zoologist. Yeah, I know that. I knew that. Stay in school, kid. Just planning on it. My bun is on point today. Other than that really weird, frizzy, simple piece of hair sticking up. Spotlight.
That's fine. You're done. Alright, take the auger, go find the toolbox in the truck. Take that and do your outro and I'll be out in a second.
Uh-oh.
I'll clean it up.
Okay.